Hey gorgeous, Mimi Styles here, back with another video. So today we have an unboxing. I picked up a little something. I'm not going to tell you about it because everyone knows what this is. I'm just going to unbox it for you and get down to it. I just picked it up today. Have it shipped to the store. I meant to have it shipped to my house. Oh, it'll be nice to go into the store. Can you hear me? It'll be nice to go into the store and take a look around. I'd never been into a fashion file store. It's one of those things on my list of things. I hear that store in California, the show house or the showroom or the warehouse rather, quite something. So it's something that I definitely want to do when I'm next in California. But in any case, I thought this one was going to be like that, but I don't think that they have their store open yet. I think it's just a small showroom where you can go pick things up. They told me that they're going to be opening a store in Soho. I think they said March. So they'll be here finally. We love a great bag, don't we? We love a great bag. I love this new. Used is the new. I love it. I love it. I'm very anal when it comes to mess, all right? Plus, you know, I like to save some of my bags and wrapping papers and things like that. I'm gonna leave that there because it has more stuff in it. One thing I'll say about luxury resale market is I love giving pieces new life, finding new homes for beloved pieces. Lately on the resale market, you can get things new as well as used and pre-loved, but I like though that it doesn't just go in the trash. Not that anybody would throw these in the trash. I'm sure they would donate them to someone in their family or Salvation Army or, you know, some kind of a thrift store or whatever. But I just like what thrifting is doing for the fashion industry. It's giving new life to pieces. I've been an avid thrifter since I was in high school. I've always loved, you know, to find vintage pieces. It's still one of my most favorite things. And though what I'm about to show you is not a vintage piece, I'm just saying all of this to say that I like what the resale market is doing for luxury items. And I like you know, that even if you want a truly vintage piece, an older Chanel from the 70s or 80s or 60s, you can find it out there. Someone can source it for you. I just think it's an amazing thing. This is the first time that I've gotten a piece that actually comes with the box, though. I've never gotten a piece that comes with the box. So as you can see, it's the fashion file bag. Dun dun dun. After all of my ranting about how we got to give other brands a chance, but I am really about that life though, so don't think I'm not. But this is something that I've had my eye on since these bags started. This particular color, I love tweed, as I told you in the former video. In my 10 essential winter wardrobe pieces, essentials, I love tweed. And that's kind of why I've always really loved Chanel, more than anything else, more than other people wearing it, more than it being one of the most popular brands. I just love that they make tweed. This one is really special to me because it's got a kind of lavender in there or periwinkle, and I just love that color. I love it so much. I love purple. The bag is in beautiful, beautiful condition. Let me hold it close so you guys can see it. I'm still learning this camera. It's my first bag unboxing. I mean, I've showed you bags before after I opened them, but this is my first actual unboxing. I'm gonna take this off quickly because I am never sending this bag back ever. I love it. I've been dreaming about her. And like I said, I'm sort of kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to actually have the experience of buying a bag in a store. I don't know. I would buy another one of this bag though. I love it. And I know it hasn't been marked up as much as the classic. I also really love the trendy, so I'm in the market for one of those too. Love this bag though. Look at that tweed. So it's a red, but it's an interesting red because it's kind of burgundy-esque. It's like the red fire engine red, and then a kind of burgundy red as well. And then it also has a very deep fuchsia. So all those reds are mixed together, making it very easy to wear with lots of different kinds of reds. I'm really shocked at the condition of the bag. It's in amazing condition. I just picked 2 pieces of lint off, but I mean, this bag looks, you know, not that worn at all. There's some stuff inside the bag that's pushing it out a little bit, but yeah, the structure of it looks really great. This bag retails for, it still has the tag on it. I mean, retail for $48. I think I got it just under $4, so I was super happy about that. I got it when it went like 15% off or something like that, maybe 10 or 15. But that's the back pocket. This is the inside. It's got all the tags in here. I don't know if this bag, I don't think this bag was ever worn, ever. It looks, the plastic is still on. Yeah, this bag was never worn. There's nothing in there. It's all the Chanel tags. This is the Chanel tag right here. If you can see that. Let's see. That's a Chanel tag. There's another one right here. This bag was unworn. There's not anything inside this bag. The inside is pristine. So wow, I got a new bag. All of this is covered in plastic in the back. Still has the plastic on it. Still has the plastic in there. Oh wow, this is a real treat. I really would have thought it was going to be used. And to be honest, I wouldn't have cared. Authenticity card. The bag is inside of the box. This is a first for me. Not my first Chanel piece. Not by any stretch. I have a few, but it's my first time getting one from Fashion File where it comes in the box and it has the bag. So that's like super exciting. And then it's got all of these, you know, all of the packaging. It's got the little flower on the card and the actual original receipt. Wow. Ooh. Somebody bought this in Newport Beach, California. Thank you, whoever you are, that you didn't like this bag and sold it, and I got it for this great price. I'm super excited. So this was one of my birthday presents to myself. So this is the piece that goes inside of the flap. I mean, it just came with all of the things. I'm super psyched. The bag. Ooh. Well, this was a nice way to end the day. I'm super excited. I'm gonna stuff this so it keeps its shape and go find a home for her in my junky closet room. It's not really junky, but it'll look junky to you if I showed it to you because there's just a million things going on in that room. In any case, that's it for this unboxing. I am super excited to have this as part of my collection. What are you thinking about right now to add to your collection? What's the piece you most are wanting to add to your collection? I really wanted this piece and I wanted this particular color because of the color combination. There's another one that I like too. That's a kind of a houndstooth. I love it, but it's like a beige and black houndstooth. So those two were like pieces that I really have my eye on. But like that I will only buy if I see them like go down in price. Like this one was, I don't know if it was in a last call, but it was definitely in a sale on Farfetch. And so I lucked out, but it's just like one of those type of things where it's just like I save things in my card or I save them in my favorites and then I get a notification when it goes down in price. But I'm super seriously the bargain hunter and the sale hunter. Like I'm really about that life. Like I'm just not out here spending money going crazy. I'm looking for them deep sales. So, but what's something that's on your wish list right now that you really want, that you're kind of just like, you're just laying in wait until the moment hits to where you can see it for the right price. It goes on sale or you find a pre-loved one at the right price. What is it? Tell me down below. I really want to know. I want to see what you guys are looking at these days. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and supporting me. Again, my name is Mehh Styles. In case I didn't say that in the beginning, please hit the like, the subscribe and the notification button, and also please follow me on Instagram. And remember, style, fashion, it should all be fun. Take care of yourselves. Bye.